Hi, this is Everett from Everett Watercolors. Welcome to my classroom. You know, you've always heard that you can mix a color just using the primaries, red, yellow, and blue. Well, today I'm going to do a little demo on how to mix burnt sienna from those colors. And the reason you do that, you minimize the number of colors on your palette and show you how to mix them from the primary colors. That's what's important. Let's go to my painting board and I'll show you a little demo of how to mix to come up with burnt sienna. Of using the primaries, red, yellow, and blue, and we're going to mix a color called burnt sienna. And burnt sienna is a basic color used in a lot of landscapes, but let's pretend you didn't have burnt sienna on your palette, and you could use a little bit of red mixed with yellow, give you orange, and then look at the color wheel there. Right? The mixture give you orange. Then move around the color wheel to yellow orange, and mix it with a little dark, maybe the blue, and you're going to get a grayed out orange, which is what burnt sienna is. So what we're going to do is show that mixture of the yellow and the red and the blue. We'll use paper here to show you how to mix that. You could also mix it in a palette. Here we'll show you just on the paper. We're using wet on wet paint. Here I mixed the lemon yellow and the pyro red. That gives me the base color, which is yellow orange, and then I'm going to darken that up a little bit with putting the cobalt blue. So there's the mixture right there that'll give us the burnt sienna. Now I'm going to adjust that a little bit. Looking at that color, I'm going to add a little red to it to give a little more vibrancy. Now I add the yellow to give a little more orange, and then a little more yellow on top of that. So it's becoming more and more like a burnt sienna color, and I'm mixing the yellow and the red on top of that mixture right there. Add a little more yellow, a little red to richen that mixture up a little bit, a little more blue on top of that. Now we're getting close to the burnt sienna color, a dull looking orange. Now here's the burnt sienna from my palette. You can see here the color here, so it looks a little richer because it's right out of the palette. And normally palette colors are a lot stronger and richer than the mixtures. Now here we're going to add in some more colors to bring it up. We'll add a little red to get a little redder, a little more red into the mixture. And that'll bring it closer to the burnt sienna color. And then we'll add some more yellow to get back into a little more orange with the yellow and red. Now that's pretty close to the mixture right there. Almost got it. And there I could stop, but I'm going to continue on a little bit here and add in some more, a little more flavor. And you can add this on and spreading out a little bit, and we'll take a look at that. Now that's very close to the burnt sienna color, very close. That would be a good starting point. The mixture versus the burnt sienna out of the palette.